Want to make a great first impression and build instant trust with potential clients? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add the perfect profile picture to your Fiverr account. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your profile picture is often the first thing clients notice. It's your virtual handshake that can make or break a hiring decision. Let's make sure yours represents you professionally. First, click your temporary profile icon in the top right corner of Fiverr and select Profile from the drop-down menu. On your profile page, hover over the profile picture area and click the camera icon that appears. You'll have two options: take a new photo using your webcam, or upload an existing image from your computer. I recommend uploading a high-quality, pre-prepared photo for the best results. Choose a clear, professional headshot where your face takes up about 60% of the frame. Use a neutral, uncluttered background, and make sure the lighting is bright and even. Dress professionally for your industry. Business casual works for most fields. A crucial pro tip: smile naturally. A genuine, approachable smile makes you appear friendly and easy to work with. Avoid using group photos, filters, or images where you're too far away. Clients want to see the person they'll be working with. After uploading, you can crop and adjust your photo to ensure it's perfectly centered. Fiverr will show you a preview. Make sure you're happy with how it looks before saving. Your new profile picture will now appear across the platform. And just like that, you've upgraded your profile with a picture that builds trust and credibility. That simple change can significantly impact how clients perceive you. If this guide helped you put your best face forward, please give it a like. What was the biggest challenge you faced in choosing your profile photo? Share your experience in the comments below. To continue securing your account, subscribe for our next video on how to verify your email on Fiverr. Thanks for watching.